You've been training consistently for months. You used to be able to increase weight and reps on your lifts each week. Now, the gains have stopped. You're struggling to even add one more rep. Listen, I've been there, and there's a hard truth that you need to hear, but also 3 training principles that I'm going to share with you. These principles will get your progress moving again. At this stage of your training, it's time to make a decision. Going to the gym and doing your classic 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps is a great way to build a foundation because you make a little progress in everything. What you need to do is decide, what do you want to maximize? And how are you going to train for it? Do you want power and speed for sports, which means training with lower reps and higher velocity? Do you want absolute strength, lifting as heavy as you can, utilizing those lower rep ranges? Or do you want hypertrophy, just because you want to build as much muscle as possible? Or is it simply that your goal is to be healthy, fit, and athletic for life? The point is to maximize your training after the beginning stage. It has to be specific to what you're trying to achieve. And this brings me to the hard truth. It's a tough pill to swallow, but those early beginner gains, they're never going to come as easily as they once did. Even though it feels like such a struggle to add just one more rep, that's actually the meat and bones of what progressive overload is. Progressive overload is your ability to track your sets and reps to systematically improve your strength over time. Let's use the bench press as an example. Week 1, you bench press 135 pounds for 6, 6, and 6 reps. The following week, you do 7, 7, 6. And by the 3rd week, you bench press 135 pounds by 7, 7, 7 reps. This is meaningful change. Eventually, once you hit 135 for 8, 8, and 8, it'll be time to increase the weight to 145 pounds and drop the reps back down to 6. Then repeat this entire process all over again. And that's how you progressively overload effectively. It's important that we learn to celebrate those one more reps because that's how we build more strength and increase our power over time. Just remember, progressive overload isn't always about adding weight. Sometimes it's just that one extra rep, it's better technique, or sometimes it's just having better control or feeling better with that same weight. It's also crucial to set meaningful goals and then break them down into their smaller components because we really need that intrinsic reward system. If our goal is to only bench 225 pounds, it's going to be hard to achieve that goal, especially if we're at 135 for 6. So we need to break that goal down, like 150 for 3 reps. Then once we hit that goal, it's going to feel a lot easier to make the next one because our intrinsic motivation is what keeps progress moving for us. At the end of the day, there is still so much progress to be made after those initial beginner gains. It takes time, commitment, and consistency. If you can change your mindset, celebrate those small wins, got 1 more rep, the 5 more pounds, eventually you'll be able to achieve the milestones that you dream about.